Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make focaccia bread in the crock pot. Never made it before, so it's a new to me recipe. So the reason for the focaccia bread is for book club night this coming Friday. I want to check it out and do the recipe ahead of time to see if that's what I want to do. And the book we're reading is Charlemagne, a biography. Found this recipe that you make it in the crock pot. So I thought, why not try it? I usually bake bread in the ovens, but this way we'll be trying a new recipe and a different way of cooking bread. So I hope it turns out, because book club's Friday night, so I gotta have it together. Okay, let's get started. And at the store I found this Italian herb and garlic cooking and seasoning blend, and it has all the spices in it that they suggested I put on my focaccia bread, like fresh oregano, that kind of stuff. So we thought we'd try it. I chose to use, we're going to do frozen rolls, and I chose Rhodes So we lay down our parchment and then put about 14 rolls in here. Okay folks, here we have our parchment. I hope it doesn't. For the rolls, we want to cook them on warm for 1.5 hours until they double in size. I'll see you in 1.5 hours. Our rolls are doubled in size. So now we want to sprinkle with olive oil. Make sure they're good and coated. So we just want to kind of make holes in it. So I'm going to sprinkle some of that on here. So we've got our olive oil on and our garlic herb seasoning blend. Now I'm going to add some, I cut up some cherry tomatoes. I couldn't find sun-dried tomatoes at the store. So we're going to use little cherry tomatoes. I want to put some thinly sliced red onion. Not a whole lot. Add my garlic today. So we're going to add that real quick. I forgot to add my garlic salt. Actually, it's garlic powder. Now we're going to add olives. I got some green olives here. And I did not get the ones that were stuffed. And I have some red olives. They're like Greek olives. So I put the cheese on it, which I wasn't supposed to do at this point. Got our olives, our onions, tomatoes, and our herb blend. So now I want to cover this with a paper towel, put the lid on it. We're going to let this cook on high for 1 hour. And then we'll come back and put some more cheese on it. Our time is up. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my. So this has really been cooking in here. You can see our crust is almost done. Actually, let's put some more cheese on. going with Parmesan and mozzarella. All right, so we want to cover it back up with our paper towel. Put it back on, and we're just gonna cook it long enough to where the cheese melts. Okay, folks, should be done. There we go. Try lifting this out so we can cut it. Crunch. It's nice and crunchy on the bottom. All right, so here we go. Okay. To try one of these tomatoes with it. Well, it was successful. Tastes like focaccia bread, and I hope Charlemagne likes it. God bless you all.